So good morning student, hope you all are fine. So today I am going to discuss about the computer system. What is there in the computer system? So in the whole computer system, data is input, process and output. What is input? When you type some keywords, some letters in the computer, that is input. You have input in the computer. It is processed in the CPU and it is coming out, it is taken out by the printer. You can get the printout. So this is called the output. So this we can enter, you can store and you can process raw facts and figures and give desired result. Raw facts and figure are referred to as data. So what is data? From this paragraph, what is data? Data is entered input into the computer through an input device that is called keyboard. So now characteristic. What are the characteristic of a computer? Suppose what the things we cannot do and computer can do. You think like this. Characteristic means what? Its speed is more than us. Computer is very fast. They can execute basic operation like addition, subtraction in a few nanoseconds. What nanosecond means is a billionth of second. It is a very small. It can operate the basic operation plus minus. It can do in a very small, in a short time. Accuracy. Suppose we are in an office and we are working, the file is passed from me to again other one, and from that one it is going through like this 3 or 4 tables. When I will pass in the suppose in the name, I can do mistake by writing B instead of Y. Again he wrote D instead of B. Again other one wrote like this. It can be some mistake, but computer does not have this type of mistake because its accuracy is more. Since you are doing or typing some words later or grammar is mistaken, then it will show you on the red color. Error is there. High capacity storage. You can store high capacity in the computer. You can store several files and folders in the computer. You can make files and folders in the computer. You can store. Diligence. Suppose when we are doing a work for 3 or 4 hours continuously, we will feel bored. When we are doing 3 or 4 hours continuously doing the same work, we will feel bored, but computer will not feel bored. It will perform the same speed and with the same accuracy what was done on the first and up to the last. From first to last it will be same. Then next, versatility. Versatility means a computer can do different type of things. We can listen, we can draft letter, you can calculate, you can watch movies, you can play games, etc. etc. But suppose I can read but I can dance. Someone who cannot dance can listen music. We can have 2 or 3, but computer are having more than 10 or 15. So this is called versatility. Versatility means what? It is it can do lots of works. Limitation. Now I told you about characteristic. What we cannot do, computer can do more. Now limitation. What computer cannot do, we can do. Suppose it will have lack of decision making, and program should be devised by humans. If anticipated situation arise, unlike human, computer cannot respond. Computers are not adaptable. They perform tasks in a set of sequence and they cannot change according to the circumstances. So these all things computer cannot do. So this is the limitation of the computer. Basic application. In what purpose computer is used? There are 5 basic applications. One is business, other one is entertainment, then education, then communication, then Airtel and railway reservation. So in business purpose, you can see various computers are used. In entertainment, we can watch movies, play games and many other. Education, we can take class. This is the example. I am taking your class in the computer or in the mobile. Mobile is also a computer. So communication, we can text message, you can email, you can chat, you can video chat, anything you can do in the communication purpose. Airline and railway reservation, you can reserve the ticket itself by sitting in the, and also many other things you can do, that is online shopping you can do from home. So these all are the application of computer. What is the computer system? In the computer system, what are the things are there? Hardware is there, software is there. So you know what is hardware? The things we can touch, that is called hardware. The physical components of a computer system are called hardware. A computer system basically consists of physical component, input unit, central processing unit, which comprises of processing unit, arithmetic logical unit, and a storage unit, auxiliary unit, output unit. What are the units are there in the hardware device? Input unit, central processing unit, then a processing unit, then a control unit, arithmetic unit, storage unit, auxiliary unit, output unit. 7 or 8 are there. So let us discuss about this in the next video.